Hello, let's talk about the AssetRenamer Pro, which is a Unity tool used to rename multiple files easily. Open the AssetRenamer Pro from the Zero Gravity Devs under the Tools in the menu bar. You can select multiple files that you want to rename and drag and drop into the drop area inside the editor window.
Now fill the term you want to replace and the replaced word also. You can preview the changes real-time in the editor window. Click Apply button for Confirm the changes.
You can undo the changes in the rename history. Either you can undo all changes, or each one by your choice. You can create preset for the rename by giving a preset name and click Save Preset. Click the Clear Selection button or clear the selected files.
In the saved presets, you can see the presets you created. Click on the Load button to automatically rename the files according to your preset. You can delete the presets by clicking the Delete button of each presets. You can select a folder of files by clicking the Add Folder button. You can filter the files by clicking the Filters by Type drop-down list. We added the important file types that we generally needed in that list. AssetRenamer Pro also supports token pattern mode, which is very helpful for advanced renaming. You can use different pattern modes for this renaming.
Try our tool and give feedbacks to improve it.
Thanks for checking out this tutorial. Drop us your feedback and show some support if you enjoyed it.